Did you know that 87% of catastrophic engine failures could have been prevented with simple maintenance habits? I've pushed my truck past 700,000 miles using proven techniques that most drivers completely ignore. Engines don't just die randomly. Bad habits kill them. And you can start fixing yours today, even if your engine already shows signs of wear. If this kind of no-nonsense automotive advice helps you save thousands on repairs, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with anyone who owns a vehicle. Drop a comment below telling me what maintenance mistake you've been making or any engine questions you have. I read every single one. The 5,000-mile oil change rule. Dealers and oil companies will tell you that 15,000 miles on synthetic oil is perfectly fine. But that's marketing designed to sell you convenience, not engine longevity. Here's the reality I've learned after decades in the automotive industry. For brand new engines, do your first oil change at 1,000 miles to flush out metal shavings, left over from factory break-in processes. After that initial change, stick religiously to every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. And never exceed this interval, regardless of what your oil life monitor says. When you do your own oil changes, cut open that old filter and inspect the pleats for metal particles. Then shine a flashlight into your drain pan and look for metallic shimmer that indicates internal wear has already begun. Forget laboratory tests and synthetic oil promises. This is real-world engine care that prevents the $12,000 repair bill you'll never see coming until it's too late. Using the right oil for your engine. Changing your oil regularly is only half. The equation, using the correct oil specification, is what actually keeps your engine components properly lubricated and protected. Too many vehicle owners just grab whatever oil is cheapest at the store, which is a costly mistake that leads to premature engine failure. When you see ratings like 5W30 on oil containers, those numbers aren't random marketing terms. They represent crucial viscosity characteristics your engine was designed around. The 5W indicates how the oil flows during winter conditions, with lower numbers meaning thinner oil that flows better during cold starts when most engine wear occurs. The 30 represents how thick the oil remains at full operating temperature, maintaining the protective film between moving parts. If your owner's manual specifies 5W30 and you use 10W40 instead, you're stressing your oil pump and disrupting designed flow rates throughout the engine. Conventional oil breaks down faster under heat and stress, while full synthetic resists thermal breakdown, flows better in extreme temperatures, and maintains its protective properties longer, making it ideal for anyone wanting to reach 300,000 miles or more. Never ignore oil leaks. There is absolutely no such thing as a minor oil leak, and that tiny drip you keep ignoring represents a ticking time bomb under your hood. I've witnessed a simple $3 valve cover gasket leak evolve into a $4,000 engine rebuild because the owner thought it was just a harmless seep. Get underneath your vehicle with a flashlight and inspect for any signs of oil accumulation, crusty buildup on the engine block, or the smell of burning oil. Address these leaks immediately when they're small and inexpensive to repair, rather than waiting until they cause collateral damage throughout your engine bay. Proper engine warm-up procedures. If you're someone who starts their vehicle immediately, puts it in drive, and accelerates hard, you're systematically destroying your engine with every cold start. This warm-up period isn't old-fashioned thinking. It's mechanical science that extends engine life significantly and helps you reach those high-mileage milestones that seem impossible to most drivers. The dangers of excessive idling. While proper warm-up is essential, sitting there idling for 10 or 15 minutes, like you're running a stationary generator, creates entirely different problems that also damage your engine. Extended idling prevents your engine from reaching optimal operating temperature efficiently, which means fuel doesn't burn completely and creates nasty carbon deposits in combustion chambers and on intake valves. The sweet spot involves starting your engine, idling for 30 to 60 seconds maximum, then driving gently until everything reaches proper operating temperature. PCV Valve Maintenance. Most drivers have never heard of a PCV valve, yet this $10 component can cause over $2,000 in engine damage when neglected. PCV stands for Positive Crankcase Ventilation, and this small valve manages pressure and blow-by gases from your engine's crankcase by routing them back to the intake system where they're burned during combustion. Replace your PCV valve every 30,000 to 50,000 miles or sooner if you frequently make short trips or notice new oil leaks appearing from unusual locations, because this simple 5 to 15-minute replacement serves as cheap insurance for maintaining a healthy engine. If you're finding this information valuable for protecting your investment, take a second to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss money-saving automotive tips like these. Mass airflow sensor cleaning. When your vehicle feels sluggish, idles roughly, or consumes more fuel than usual, your mass airflow sensor probably needs cleaning rather than replacement. The MAF sensor measures incoming air volume so your engine computer can calculate the proper fuel mixture. But when it becomes contaminated with dust, oil vapors, and road grime, it provides inaccurate readings that throw off the entire fuel delivery system. Remove the sensor carefully. Spray it gently with proper cleaner, allow it to air dry completely, and reinstall without touching the sensing wires because they're extremely sensitive to contamination. Air filter replacement. Your car's engine needs clean air to run properly, just like you need clean air to breathe. Hold your old filter up to a bright light, and if you can't see light through it, replace it immediately, no matter how many miles are on it. Let me know in the comments which tip you'll try first or what engine problems you're dealing with. Next video covers transmission mistakes that cost thousands.